Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm out here with a 16 by 60. We call this home the Attica. And what's interesting about this home, this is the 2-bedroom version. I've already went inside, but what's interesting about this home, if you look at a lot of the other single wides, when you're looking in the lot and you look at the window on the end, it's usually smack dab right in the middle if I'm right beside this one and then come over here. But I can always tell in Attica because the window is off-centered. So that gives you the opportunity to put this really cool elevation here, which gives you kind of an extra chevron that's going over the side and then the white trim down the middle. I just think that is a nice feature to have. Coming closer to the home, we're gonna see shadow on the outside on the vinyl. And then again, we've talked about this many times, the OSB wrap around the house, super important for energy efficiency. So if you can swing the extra money, please do it. The alternative to that is a storm board sheathing. They've been making homes like that since the beginning of time, but you can take it up a notch by adding the OSB wrap. Loving the outside color here. Normally, these corner posts are going to be the same color as the home. You can change that to white if you want to get a more dramatic look to the outside of it. Coming down, we're looking at some black shutters. I love it. We're going with the more modern look on this home. We've got a couple of pier savers. This is the back door. I couldn't get in the front, so we're going in the back, guys. Okay. Walking into the home, into the back door anyways, we're going to come directly into a laundry area. And this is the only 16 by 60 model that we offer, and it is always a hit. Furnace when we walk in, washer dryer area. They've added a shelf. And now we're going to start to see some of the new colors popping out for 2025. Thunder is still a favorite, and we kept that. This is the new carpet called Havana. Now, in a single wide, it's an option to add that into the bedrooms. In our sectional homes, when you have carpet, this is the standard carpet. So we've taken it up a notch. We went from a 13 ounce to a 15 ounce, and Havana is the name. Shout out to my nail tech, Bella. She did a wonderful job. By the way, this is the new style of French manicure. The white tips are a lot slimmer. I don't know why I'm talking about that. She just does a great job and I love shouting out to her. Anyways, this is the new accent wall for 2024. If you were here, maybe you can see if I angle it. This is textured. Maybe you can hear it. It's textured. So that is a very nice feature. Remember last year we tried the brick. We tried the old is not a good word. We tried the wood grain look, and this year we're going with a new modern. So when you get close to it, it looks like almost like it has a green tint, but when you're standing back from it, it's just kind of like an off white or even mixed with a gray. Here's one of my faves. This is a Mobile Home Mama fave, double racks in the closet. Look at how much storage that increases. Okay, so you can hang stuff up here, put some shoes down at the bottom, and you've just got all that extra storage. Water heaters in this closet. So let me give you a good view of this. Yes, shirt and skirt racks, must have. In the bathroom, we've kept a standard tub shower combination with a standard vanity. We've got Timberwolf hardware on the cabinets, Glacier quartzite on the countertop with a laminate backsplash. I can tell we have a package in this home. I am so happy to have a new season and to be sharing it with you guys. Perimeter heat right here. And as we go through this, we're going to get educated along the way. We're going to see some new things and some different color combinations so you can decide what you want to put in your home. It looks like they've enlarged the window. This is the living room, by the way. This is available in this is a 2-bed, 2-bath. 16 by 60. Lots of space in this living area. They've added a window here. This is normally just a flat wall. I know that because there's the option to move this door down there. So instead of doing that, they've opted to add a window. Okay, head code says you can add windows, You can move windows. You can make windows larger, but you can never remove them. They precisely measure the amount of light and vent that comes through your microwave or through your bath fans or through your hood to make sure that people have a good flow of air and also enough light coming in. This is bedroom number 2, so that people don't get depressed. How about that, huh? In Indiana, if you catch us between January and March, it doesn't matter how many windows there are. We're still got the blues. But here we go. We're jumping out of that. Here comes the second bath. Okay, it's a little dark in here, guys. No electricity, and we are back to back to back with homes. Standard tub shower combination. We've got the single vanity, the mobile home mama in the mirror, and 3-bulb light strip up there. There's your bath fan. Standard, standard, standard. And let's go into the kitchen. We've got some new stuff in here. Still with the Timberwolf cabinets. And this is called an eat-in kitchen, which is not a bad thing because a lot of people, the good news is you have plenty of space for a dining room table. And shout out to the old school people out there who still want to eat at a dining room table. You know, not everybody wants the islands. If you do, we got them. If you don't, we've got some floor plans where you have space for a table. All right. Now they switched it up a little bit in here. Did anybody notice? We had a laminate backsplash in the primary bath, but when we come into the kitchen, ceramic. This is called East Side. Reminds me of, I don't know, a rustic look, and looks very good with this sesame accent wall. All right, we've got an appliance package, probably a 20.5 cubic foot. We offer an 18 and a 20 with an ice maker installed. Microwave over the range, gas range they've added, and then the dishwasher. We've got lots of appliance packages, whatever you need to fit your wants and needs, and however you want to design your home, we're going to help you. Here's one more overview of everything. This is the Attica 16 by 60 2-bed, 2-bath. This is also our clearance home this month. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. I'd love for you to visit. I'll put you in a very nice hotel. We'll spend some time together, go through the factory tour, and talk about designing your home. As always, thanks for watching.